This winter, Ladakh opens its doors to a celebration like never before. For generations, diverse Lokhor traditions have lived across distant valleys and remote mountain villages. This year, they all come together, uniting in the heart of Leh to create one extraordinary festival. From ancient customs to contemporary tunes, each moment reveals a different aspect of Ladakh's living heritage. Experience the warmth, taste the flavors, and immerse yourself in the joy of Lokhor, Christmas and the New Year, shared by all. Organized by LAHDC Leh and its stakeholders, come celebrate a tapestry of traditions woven into 10 unforgettable days, from 22nd December to 2nd January in Leh, Ladakh.